Hi everyone, I'm Ronald here from Our Passion Cars. Today's car is actually sponsored by Swisseng Group, and this is the Mercedes GLC300 AMG line Premium Plus 4MATIC. Okay, I'm very sorry, this name is really long. I've been trying so much to get it right, but I can't seem to get it. Okay, let's go. If you wish to find out more about my friends at Swisseng Group, you may visit their Facebook page at Swisseng Group or visit their website at www.swissenggroup.com. Let's start off with the overall exterior design of the car. The immediate things you can actually see from the mid-cycle refresh are the headlights as well as the tail lights. If you look further throughout the whole car, all the eagle-eyed viewers out there will also note that the AMG style body kits and rims are slightly different from the previous models. Okay, the styling of this car in front is honestly really very good. I actually love these pins that you see over the front grille here. Okay, and this area here, look, it's so beautiful, but all this is fake. It doesn't channel any air inside. I mean, other than here, it doesn't channel any air inside the car to cool it off. The fakery is not only at the front, it's at the back too. Look at this. This is not the exhaust. The exhaust is actually underneath here. Okay, and look at this diffuser. I mean, for a car like this, do you really see yourself needing a diffuser like this? It's definitely not going to suck any air down to the car to make it even more planted, right? Those are honestly the only two negatives which I have with this car. The dark wood dash and a brushed alloy-like finishing takes all the negatives away. To add on, the fully digital dials in the Premium Plus model offers you high resolution during the day or night, and it gives you a sense of class and upscale tech in your car. Okay, being in this Mercedes is actually all about feel-good factor. Once you close the door, you actually have all these soft touch materials here. You're greeted by this beautiful seat. Okay, this is your adjustment for all your seats. Okay, with your Burmeister sound system, very nice finishing. And look at this steering wheel. Okay, this leather looks like any other normal leather, but this is actually Napa leather. Okay, and look at this beautiful 3-point star. And this portion over here, for the base model, all these are actually made of gloss black. Compared to this, I think it leaps and bounds better. This here, you can see, is an updated 10.25-inch MBUX system. Okay, the good thing about a luxury car is that you can actually have the options to choose how you want to input things for your car. So you can actually swipe the menus through here. Okay, but one thing I don't really like to swipe because I'm a bit OCD. I don't like to see all the kind of fingerprints running around here. The other option that we have is actually this trackpad. So it's actually very easy. I mean, you just click home, you can actually go right center to the vehicle displays, or you can actually swipe. But I don't really enjoy this so much more than this small little black button that you see over here. I can actually swipe through here, and just to confirm the menu, I just click, and automatically you can see the change. Or maybe let's try things a little bit different. Baby, what color do you like?
Red.
Okay, hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Change ambient lighting to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
See guys, happy wife, happy life. The good thing about having an SUV is of course a lot of space in the boot, okay? And of course the accessibility of the boot. Look for this for instance. Okay, the rear seats. I mean, most of the time you actually got to go to the front, undo everything, but no. It's just this button over here. It folds down, and another button here. That simple. So how is it like to drive? Just to apologize at the start, we are all wearing masks because I actually got 3 friends here with me. Hi, you guys, say hi. Okay, anyway, just the GLC300 Coupe. The immediate changes that you actually know, right, is the sport suspension, okay? So as standard, the car actually comes with the sportier suspension compared to the GLC300 itself. This actually enhances your cornering, okay? It reduces your body roll in the car. Okay, comparison with other cars, a very similar car to this, the coupe version is actually the X4. Okay, the X4 definitely drives a little bit more sportier than this. Okay, but however, if you look at this luxury, the steering wheel, okay, the dash is something that I think everybody would like in a luxury vehicle. Okay, engine-wise, it is actually quite torquey. Okay, let's view it here. Okay, it's actually quite torquey, but it's not the kind of power that actually knocks you back and it's a very gradual push that you actually have in a Mercedes. I would feel that this current 2-litre 4-cylinder M264 engine
It's possibly one of the best in its class. It actually comprises of both fuel efficiency as well as power. Okay, you have multiple modes that you have in the vehicle. Okay, now we are in comfort setting, the setting that I really like the most. Basically, it actually softens up the suspension quite a fair bit. Okay, your throttle response, yes, it gets a little bit slower, but it's a nice gradual push. Okay, but of course, when we actually head over to the Sport and Sport Plus mode, the thing is that you can feel that the engine actually tightens up a little bit. Okay, your rev stays high at a higher level. Okay, and when you want to accelerate hard, okay, that's where things really start to change in the Mercedes GLC300 Coupe. Okay, I mean, okay, in the power segment of this car, okay, just nice. We're at a traffic light. Okay, let's go. Right, you can actually feel that actually this car has more than sufficient torque that you actually want. And to be honest, in Singapore, when you actually reach the kind of speeds, you're more or less going to break the law. So guys, please don't do it.
So what's my final verdict of the Mercedes GLC 300 Coupe? If you're looking for a mid-sized luxury SUV in this range, you'll be definitely spoiled for choices. But the GLC 300 trumps its competitors in the luxury department. Once again, thank you for watching Our Passion Cars. Ronald signing off.